Uh-huh. I found another one, Signorno. Right, let's build him. Any chance you guys want to help?
It's invigorating. I'm sorry I don't fit your image of the tragic husband.
Guess not. How about you, Doc?
It's called
Doc! Sorry, did you say something? Never mind. Right, let's build. Signorno, any chance you're gonna get your new adopted daughter out of the box? Yes, maybe. But we'll probably need a lot of tools just to get it out. You could always try me, Max. I will, boys. What? Do you have a scratch on my paintwork? No, we've never seen a toy like you before. And the most popular toy in America. Crumbs, another international toy. Who's the first, mate? I am. I'm technically sounding like I'm from Spain, but I'm probably born in England. But you probably, if you know what I mean. So I don't know if are you international if you're from England. Bit complicated, but I don't think I have time to explain. Never mind about that. Are you really gonna get my adopted daughter out of the pile of rubble in the back? Well, under the presents, I might say. Sure, Mac. Just need to turn me on. I might be annoying, I might have a noisy engine, but I'm still the strongest machine ever. Let's do this! Alright, let's go. Alright. The chain's attached. Okay, ready, Signorno? Ready, Signorno.
Press my bumper to get...
Chain's loaded.
Press my siren
Okay,
to get climbing.
let's do this.
To get going.
Alright, Mac, all you have to do is just pull my lever to make me tow. Okay, let's do this!
Get going.
Awesome, Signorno! Woo! 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 Woo!
No, sir.